The hidden cost of bad website. Are you losing money? Your website might be quietly killing your business and you don't even know it. Slow loading times, confusing navigations, outdated designs. These things don't just annoy visitors, they cost you real money. Every single day, potential customers leave your site without taking action. And worst of all, they are probably going straight to your competitors instead. Today, I will show you exactly how a bad website drains your revenue and what you can do to fix it before it's too late. Hi, I am Mehul Brahmabhat, CEO and founder of Matrix Bricks. I have helped businesses turn their websites into powerful revenue generating machines. And today, I will show you how your website might secretly be draining your profits and what to do about it. I have spent more than 15 years helping businesses build a strong digital presence. I have worked with startups, established brands, and global companies, and I have seen the same problem over and over: a bad website silently sabotaging growth. I have seen businesses losing customers daily without realizing why. But I have also seen companies turn things around fast with the right website strategy. And that's exactly what I will help you understand. High bounce rate equals to customers leaving too soon. You have probably done this yourself, clicked on a website and within seconds decided it wasn't worth your time. Maybe it looked outdated, too long to load, or just felt confusing. So you left. Now flip that around. If your website isn't making a great first impression, visitors will do the same to you. And your every visitor who leaves without taking action, that's money slipping through your fingers. Here is how you fix it. Your website should load in under 3 seconds. If it's slow, visitors won't wait. Keep the design clean and professional. First impressions matter. Navigation should be so simple that anyone can find what they need instantly. Think of your website like a physical store. If it's a messy, outdated, or a hard to find things, customers walk out. Poor SEO equals to nobody can find you. I hear this all the time. Mehul, I have a website, but no one's visiting it. Well, here is the thing. Just having a website doesn't mean people will find it. If Google doesn't see your site as valuable, it won't rank you high in search results. And if you are buried on page 5, guess what? No one's clicking on you. What's the fix? Make sure your site loads fast. Google's love speed. Use keywords naturally. This helps search engines understand what you do. Structure your content well. Clear headings, images with descriptions, and valuable content that keeps people engaged. A website without SEO is like shop with no signboard. People won't know you exist. Bad user experience equals to fewer conversions. Let's say someone does stay on your website. Now what? If they struggle to find information, or your contact form is a hassle, or your checkout process has too many steps, they will leave. Even small annoyance can kill your conversions. What can you do? Make sure your contact form is simple. No one likes filling out long forms. If you're selling something, the checkout process should be smooth, fewer steps, fewer abandoned carts. Use clear, easy to read buttons. Don't make visitors search for where to click next. Think of it this way: if a customer is ready to buy, your website shouldn't slow them down. No security equals to lost trust and lower sales. Would you enter your credit card details on a shady looking website? No chance. If your website isn't secure, visitors will never trust you with their personal information. And without trust, you are losing sales before they even begin. Fix this by ensuring your website uses HTTPS. This tells user it's safe. Keeping everything updated, an outdated website is an easy target for hackers. Displaying trust signals like reviews, testimonials, and security badges People buy from a businesses they trust. So make sure your website reassures them. No mobile optimization equals to losing half your customers. More than half of all website traffic comes from a mobile phones. But here is the shocking part. So many businesses still have a websites that only work well on a desktop. If your site isn't mobile friendly, you are turning away half of your web potential customers and they won't come back. Make sure. Make sure your website adapts to different screen sizes. Text is easy to read and buttons are easy to tap. Everything loads fast even on mobile networks. A mobile-friendly website isn't optional anymore, it's a necessity. So let me ask you, what's the biggest issue with your website? Slow speed, low traffic, poor conversions? Drop a comment below and let's figure it out together. I'd love to help. If this video gave you something to think about, hit that like button. And if you are serious about fixing your website and growing your business, make sure to subscribe. I will see you in next one.